Welcome today. We're diving into the exciting world of SUVs as we usher in a new era for an iconic favorite. But hold your horses. It's not just about the Hellcat engine that makes the Durango the powerhouse of the market. Brace yourselves, because the next-gen model is on the horizon, and it's none other than the 2025 Dodge Durango. According to insider sources, Dodge is contemplating a successor to the legendary Durango. Despite its iconic status, a drop in sales signals the need for a substantial overhaul. Enter the rumors of a new model possibly named the Dodge Stealth, set to inherit all the fantastic features from its predecessor. However, until the official confirmation comes through, we're holding on to the anticipation of the SUV's comeback and a jaw-dropping redesign. Crafting the next generation to be competitive demands meticulous work, and the folks at FCA are keeping a tight lid on details, leaving us all in suspense. We're expecting the grand debut of the 2025 Dodge Durango in the second half of next year, with sales commencing shortly after. Brace yourselves for a base price around $40,000, while the SRT Hellcat variant might just touch the six-digit realm. Now, let's talk about the mid-size three-row SUV class, which is gaining popularity by the day. The Durango, a fantastic choice for larger families, could skyrocket in sales with improved fuel economy and a plethora of options. On the flip side, FCA already boasts the highly popular Jeep Grand Cherokee in its lineup. While the precise pricing and release date for the 2025 Dodge Durango are still under wraps, we're expecting the manufacturer to spill the beans soon, catering to the curiosity of SUV enthusiasts like you. But wait, there's more. Buckle up, because the rumored successor, the Stealth SUV, is projected to hit the market with an initial price point of approximately $40,000, and you might get your hands on it by the latter part of 2024. In a nutshell, the 2025 Dodge Durango is your go-to if you're seeking an SUV that seamlessly blends robust performance capabilities with a visually appealing, sporty aesthetic. It's poised to maintain its esteemed status as a performance-oriented sport utility vehicle, boasting contemporary aesthetics, robust engine capabilities, and a well-appointed interior that will leave you in awe. That's a wrap for today's SUV extravaganza. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more thrilling automotive updates. Until next time, stay tuned and drive safe.